In today's video, I'm going to teach you Wix Forms tutorial, how to set up Wix Forms. We'll start right inside the Wix website editor for your site. Once your editor is open, look to the left side toolbar and open the Add panel. From there, go to the Contact and Forms section. This is where Wix keeps all of its ready-made forms and the tools to build your own. If you already created a form before, choose Add Existing Form to quickly drop it onto your page. If you want to make something new, select Create New Form. To build a form tailored to your needs, pick Start from Scratch. This option gives you complete control over fields and layout, which is perfect for a custom contact form, intake questionnaire, or anything else you need. Follow the highlighted prompts in the editor to proceed. You'll see options for layout and style. Continue clicking the highlighted choices to confirm and move forward. When you reach the form element, select it so the form is added to your page. If you don't see it immediately, continue selecting Form until the form appears on the canvas, then click it to confirm placement. With the form on your page, choose Edit Form to open the form builder. Inside the editor, use the highlighted controls to add or remove fields, reorder them, and adjust labels. Click through the highlighted settings to customize the structure and look of the form. If your business requires a specific field, like a VAT ID for invoicing, select that field from the available list when you see it and add it to your form. You can keep building out the exact set of fields you need by following the highlighted options shown in the editor. As you click through, you'll notice design and settings panels that help refine spacing, button text, and general appearance. Continue using the highlighted actions to confirm your choices. The form editor is designed to guide you step by step, so simply follow the cues until everything looks right on the page. When you're satisfied with the setup, click Save in the form editor. This locks in your changes. Then close the editor using the highlighted option to return to the main page view. To make your form live on your website, click Publish at the top of the editor. Publishing updates your live site so visitors can see and use the form. That's all there is to it. You opened the Wix editor, navigated to Contact and Forms, chose to create a new form from scratch, added it to your page, customized fields including a VAT ID example, saved your changes, and published the site so the form is live.